Welcome back, everybody. It's been a minute. Been busy with life. Haven't been able to post, so I apologize. Um, I ended up selling like all of my projects, both Mustangs, 4Runner, the deck van, my bag BMW, start fresh, try some new stuff. Um, Behind me, I have kind of a project, daily driver project, but I figured I'd give you some runaround on it. I actually imported this vehicle. It's been a process. It took about 4.5 months from purchase to the port of Tacoma, and that was really ridiculous. But that's just how it went. So I got the car here. I drove it for a couple days, noticed there were a few things that just needed to be addressed, and I figured this one in particular for this video I'd go over in case it helps somebody in the future with the same issue. So let's get into it. So here's the vehicle, essentially an LS400. Man, my kids swing. I lost a lot of my garage space too with kid stuff, but anyways, this is actually Toyota Celsior. It is a 97, has a 1UZ VVTi. The issue that I'm going to be going over is this right here. So, fairly common issue. It's just brittle plastic starts to leak. I started looking for a replacement, and I started looking for a Celsior specifically, a part for the Celsior. Now, I read a lot of forums and asked around, and people are like, oh, it's just an LS400, right? So just buy an LS400 heater control valve. That's what that is. The problem is that the inlet goes the opposite way. So on an LS400, the inlet comes this way and then down. So Celsior comes in this way and then down. So you can't just bolt up an LS400 unless you like reroute the hosing, right? So you could put like a little loop hose in there, but I want to try and keep it factory. So I was just kind of floating around the internet and I found this one. So it is flow directional, and this is the same flow as that one. Difference is this one in particular is for a 1990 to 1994 LS400. So this in particular is a 97. So again, newer LS400 inlet comes in here and then down. And I'm trying to get this. So I'm going to try and swap this in. The only difference so far is this bracket. This valve right here seems to be the same. It does have a little directional. It says shut with an arrow right there. Same as that one. So I'm going to see if I can get this little guy installed as a replacement for that. And as long as it works, maybe it'll help you guys out. A lot of other people just said, why don't you get like just like a 90-degree PCV, PVC, whatever, 90-degree elbow to put in there and just kind of redirect it. But I'd like it to be more OEM, you know. So that's what we're going after. All right, so we got the old valve out, got the new valve next to it. Obviously it's been unbolted. Brackets are obviously different, right? So this being the OEM, this being aftermarket. Just unscrew this. Be a little difficult with one hand, but you probably get the general idea of what's going on here. Oh shoot, what was the direction? There it is. So lines right up. You put your factory screws back in it, and then voila, you got yourself a new valve. Not too shabby, huh? So pretty simple, straightforward, short video. I will put the part number for this new valve in the description below, and hope it helps. Thanks for watching.